Namaskar. In individual reports, today we shall go for another report. It is related to open a new bank at Bhavnagar. Means in any place a bank is to be opened. A branch or a new bank can be opened. A person has to go to the place and find out how the things are. Is there any possibility to set up a new bank? That's why one particular finance company or any working bank can send a person to particular place and find out the feasibility of setting up a branch or a new bank. So here to the right side, the person who is authorized to prepare the report, his name and his company's name or whatever the position he is holding, such things can be mentioned to the right side. Here one imaginary name is there, Mr. ZV Zala, Durgavati Finance Limited, Mumbai. Look, it means the person is already working in a company named Durgavati Finance Limited. That company is a letterpad he would be having. On it, he is writing. And particular date, here it is mentioned as 28 August 2017. And then to who this person submits the report, inside address to the left side. The Managing Director, Durgavati Finance Limited, Mumbai. And then the subject line, opening a new bank at Bhavnagar. As I told you, wherever the person is sent, its name, the place name should be mentioned. Then proper salutation, that is a respected sir. Then the first paragraph, introductory paragraph, where basic things are to be written, that who has sent the person, what was the letter number, what was the purpose, how much time was given. Such things are mentioned in the first paragraph. It was a great pleasure to work on the above mentioned report on the terms of said project. Said project means opening a new bank at Bhavnagar. That is a project. The company had given me the chance by its letter number DF ND 5007 17, dated 3rd June 2017. So that is how company's letter to Mr. Zala asking him to go to the place, and that letter number will have been written on the left side top. That is to be also mentioned. So by that letter number, Mr. Zala is quoting that he is doing the work or he has done the work, and dated particular date is there. My visit to Bhavnagar city has brought me the following things. It means a person has visited, he has seen the things, then he has written down, and then he is submitting the report. Look the date. He is submitting the report on 28 August, but the letter was given him on 3rd June. So from 3rd June, he is working, and then he has prepared the report. Now, where? The place. How is the place for banking? So it must be mentioned. Bhavnagar city. It is a largely populated city of nearly 8 lakhs of people. It has historical background and mostly depends upon rural industry. In the last 20 years, it has speeded up for trade, commerce, transportation, and communication. Many schools and residential university provide basic and higher education. So this is what the place is, the city. It's a infrastructure or people and other things related to the city. Now in that place, where at particular place the bank should be set up, so location for the bank, there are some good places where the building of the bank could be established. Kalanala, Panwadi, Vaghawadi Road, and Gangajaliya Talao are hot spots. It means in a city there may be some busy, crowded place where bank would be very much vital. So these are the some places, or even you can mention a developing place as well. So 3 or 4 places suitable to set up a bank the person mentions. My choice is Vaghawadi Road as it is well developed and convenient. Many commercial centers are there which have enough space to match our requirements. The person also makes it clear that his choice is at particular place and gives the reason why. Third thing, investment sources. Now bank needs this as the city is developing very fast. Our bank can be a handsome investment place because it is developing. That's why there are chances of investments. There are many reasons. What are the reasons to set up the bank? So you have to mention, because ultimately bank needs them. On those reasons a bank could be set up. So first reason is this: investors. There are people who are willing to invest the money. According to a survey, the city is having a large saved secured capital. It is on the 68th position into category of top 100 cities. If we can draw well, our bank can have fairly large investment. It means the people have money. According to the survey, that potential things a city can have for secured amount, or the person, I mean the city, which can have a lot of money disposal to invest, the city ranks at the 60th position. It means if the bank has good people, good management, they can have schemes, then money that is lying with the people can be drawn into the bank. So that is a great source to invest for people if the bank goes. Second thing, profit making units. Some good industrial profit making units are there. Well-known companies have their case here. Excel Industries, Steelcast, Alco Cashdown, Madhusilica, IPCL, Nirma are some of them. It means the person is also making an observation that what are the profit making units, industrial units. Here some names have been mentioned. According to the city, such names can be mentioned. In the examination you can also mention imaginary names. If you are really visiting some places, then they must be referred. So profit making units are there. Third thing, small scale industries. Around the city, into industrial areas, many small units are running well. For their transaction, our banking services may turn out a good facility. It means there are many units where they need investment and transaction is to be done. That's why bank is necessary. So their bank can be a very good opportunity to them. Next reason, home services, home industries. Plenty of things are made into many homes, including edible things, fragrance sticks, bakery and sweet items, knitting and weaving, handicraft items. So these are the things. Not only big industries are important, but also small scale industries too. So there are a lot of units where people are working at home. They need loan, they need accounts, they also need investment. So for transaction and many other things, these small home industries also require a medium, and that's why this particular bank can have chances. Next thing, stock market. Nowadays, it has become a live center. Transaction of thousands of rupees is done through many stock marketing places. Nowadays, people are taking very much interest in stock market. Even common people are also reading about it, going up and down. So they have found out various options for investing money. So stock market can be also one important thing, and there is the live center and many other places also are there where such a thing related to stock market transaction can be done, and hence there are chances. Next thing, many schemes attracting common investors can be put. It may draw common people to the bank. Now, many private banks are doing this to attract their customers, to have new customers. They give various schemes, ATM cards or zero balance, opening account, immediate services, ATM services, e-banking, or loans for students, etc., or some higher rates to the citizen, or little bit higher rates for other savings also. These are the things which a bank can attract for the customers. So he also says that such schemes can be put. Another thing for banking, that crediting sources means bank only receives the money and doesn't give back, or only bank gives and doesn't receive, then problems may be there. To and fro, it means drawing and deposit, I mean loans and investment, both should be done. So where they can credit money, to who they can give loans, or who are the people then can offer money to the bank. So crediting sources, industrial loans can be offered. It means this is a place where people are making small units, they are establishing plants, business is going, home industry is also running. So there are chances that the bank can offer loans. So industrial loans can be offered. This is the first thing. Small loans to start small units can be given. Home loans can be given for buying a new home, or renovate the home, or buying the things, etc. So home loans can be given. Then bank can also offer festival, education, tour, and medical loans. So that is how there are chances for such things. Another thing for credit cards and bill payment in addition to ATM center can help. So credit cards can be given and ATM cards also can be given. Bill payment options are there. Then uh, various facilities like going abroad, various projects, special schemes like women and students can be put for the people. Means there are a lot of things where bank can have options. Now the person has made survey of all these things. What is his view whether bank should be set up, branch can be opened or not. Recommendations are very useful for the purpose for which the person is sent. The person must write down the recommendation. What is his view? What does he think? So here is the recommendation. We will come to know that mostly he has found the positive things, and naturally he would recommend. Even though these are well-known banks and other small banks, private and nationalized 24 banks, our prospectus are bright. I recommend our bank should go to the city at earliest. So that is clear cut message that there are chances bank should go earliest, the bank should go and open the bank. So that is his recommendation for the project. I hope my report will serve the purpose. I am thankful to all who have assisted me. Thank you very much. Faithfully yours. And then sign should be there, and under the sign there is always a name, ZV Zala. So this is the report regarding setting up a bank at a place. I think this report is clear to you, and this is how any other reports can be also prepared. With this episode, we also conclude the report writing thing. In the next episode, we shall meet with a new project, new item for learning. Thank you very much. Have a good day.